He's like, I know what I'm supposed to do with it. It's just,
shaking.
I can't control my hands. There you go. There we go. Is it good? Uh-oh. Here you go. Here you go. Yeah, there we go. Uh-oh. Here, Carter. Getting your face all red. What are you doing? What are you doing?